Hi guys. Are you gonna be? Who are you talking to?
Shh.
Who is it?
Trailhead. Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah, right now.
Hi, YouTube.
We're going to the car wash right now. He's on the.
Dude,
They
you
didn't
never call me
answer.
back. You got my pants in my size or what? Alright, then I'm heading your way. I'm not really, it's not like I'm gonna put the bike together tonight, you know? Hey, do you have that small little bag?
We're going to the car wash.
And do you, I want to get a seat. You got a,
Oh, he's kind of cute.
I don't like the seat on my blue bike. I want a seat just like the one on my black bike.
Why does it keep falling? My goodness gracious.
Alright, man. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
Bye.
I wonder if the guy can hear me through the car. Can they hear through the car?
They cannot hear through the car.
He's really cute.
What you want?
You want to know that?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's goofy.
He's cute.
You have bad taste in boys, guys.
Oh my gosh. He's
You like short, fat kids.
I do not. Did you know I have a YouTube channel?
Do you know I have a YouTube channel?
I'm famous.
I don't really want to be on YouTube.
Well, you're going to be.
I'm gonna roll the window down, okay?
No. Stop. It's not funny. No. It's gonna be green. Oh no, it's not. Never mind. It's like LED lights.
It's like a disco party.
Yes.
Program, which gives food to church members who can't.
Even though it's hot. I love the car wash. Where are we going? Where are we going? We're almost out. Almost there. Look how close we are. So close. And we're all done.
I'm just
On to the bank.
heart and soul, and